Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Let's take a look here at S&P 500 and gold for tonight. We're going to be trading these, see some of the levels we can trade. Let's take a look at a 10 tick here. See, we have some pretty good resistance and support areas. So I'm going to show you some of the levels that we're going to be looking to trade off of. We're under a pretty clear level of resistance right here, 33.40. And we have touched that level quite a bit of times. Good opportunity for a downward move, pulled right back into it 1-2 times, and we're failing this area right here. I do think we'll probably get a pullback down. We are bearish as of right now. We are under some structured levels, so it's going to be an important level that we're looking at right here as support. Now, if we get down below that level, obviously we got something down here right around these 10s, and below that is the 3300s. For tonight, though, on S&P 500, we're looking for this thing to curl right back up here. If we fail to go above that level, we'll be looking for a move to continue that downside into the value area and right down to the low. Now, if we get something outside of that, we are going to be looking for an upside move once we break this level and then get the support on top. Ideally, we want to see at least 2 to 3 rotations for a continued move up into our next level of resistance right around these 55 to 60 areas. That's going to be our next level of a move up from there. Then we're going to probably see some resistance from there, just like we saw here on the left hand side. Looks, if we get it, it will probably look to fail that level, and then we'll look to play off that. Now, outside of that specific level, if we're looking for a continued fade off this area, we're looking for this thing to bounce. We could break below and come right back up. If we fail to stay underneath, obviously we're looking for that move up. Now, if we fail to hold that support and come underneath, then we're going to be looking for our move back down into these 3310s, and then below that the 3300. So that's what we're going to be looking for on S&P 500. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quick, give you guys a closer look at what we're looking at. Okay, so again, we are looking for that pullback into this area. Because we've stuck right here at this level, it has been a good opportunity to continue the short, but we haven't moved down into the support. So I'm thinking we'll curl right back up into this level and then hopefully fail this major level and look for a continuation down. Now again, if we do get that break through the level, then we're looking not just to take that first opportunity back and then go, but we're looking for a confirmation of support right here and then continue to move up from there. That will be a good opportunity for us. Again, on that downside, support coming in here at this green level. Below this, we'll look for a continuation down. Let's take a look here at gold as well. Gold has been moving quite a bit. I've been liking the movement, made some really good money off of gold lately. So let's take a look at what we're looking at. We have a strong level at 1907. We did pull up to right around these 1904s and right here, and then we kind of failed that level. And then we pulled back again. Now, this is our level of resistance as of right now, these 1895.5s. Gonna see if the market can hold this level as resistance. If it can, then we're going to be looking for a continued down move. It is strongly bearish in this gold market, so be cautious in trying to go long and fading this back up. You do want to be able to see when the market is starting to collapse back in its trend, so very important to pay attention to that. But we're looking right here at this next level of 90 to about 95 for our opportunity to continue the short. Now, if we get back above that level, hold that support, we'll then look for that move back up into 1910, but want to still be cautious because once we hit this level, if we fail to go above it, we may end up collapsing right back down. So it's going to be important to see what the market is going to try to do from where we're currently at. Again, we had this small little movement up, this micro movement into this prior level of a higher low support, and we use that as resistance for a move to try to get that low. But we'll see if we can continue to use it as resistance and continue that move down. If not, we'll make these higher low movements come right back in to this move right back up to the top. Now, if we want a somewhat of a bullish, well, let me actually put that back on. If we want somewhat of a bullish move, it's going to kind of be far away from it, but we probably At most, we want to see it break above this level of 1910, hold that support, and then try to continue the move back up into these 1930 to 1940s. That will be the ideal move from there. Gold has been moving quite a bit, so I'm expecting some good movement tonight in the London session. We'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at a 5-tick here real quick to see what's going on that 5-tick. So you can see we are holding some resistance as of right now on that pullback. Good opportunity of resistance. This could be our first opportunity, but I do want to see if we pull back right into this area of resistance first, to be honest. I mean, you can take this as a minor level, but I'd prefer to be right back into this level of 90 to about 95 and then look for the short opportunity from there. So we'll see how the market moves from here, and then we'll go from there. Other than that, you guys take care. You guys have a great night. Thank you guys again for watching these videos. If you do like them, please smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are, appreciate you guys. I will see you all in the London session. Take care.